Welcome back to the Best PT Podcast. This is episode 6.2, the endocrine system. Functions of the endocrine system, two different functions. We have the endocrine or hormone system. Hormones are sent through the blood to most of the body with effects that appear slow but are long-lasting. And we have the nervous system or neurotransmitter system that signals nearby cells over very short distances via synapses. These are limited often to muscle and gland tissue, with effects that appear and disappear very rapidly. Different glands. The hypothalamus regulates autonomic nervous system by targeting the pituitary gland. The pituitary gland is the master gland that releases hormones that target all the other endocrine glands. It also secretes endorphins to reduce pain and controls ovulation and creates sex hormones. The thyroid produces thyroid hormones to regulate metabolism. Parathyroid hormone secretes parathyroid hormone that is the antagonist to calcitonin, which increases reabsorption of calcium and phosphate from bones into the blood. It's involved in the regulation of blood levels of calcium and phosphate. The adrenal glands produce corticosteroids to regulate sodium-water balance, stress, the immune system, sexual development and performance, as well as metabolism. The adrenal glands secrete epinephrine, or adrenaline, to increase heart rate and blood pressure. The pancreas includes both endocrine and exocrine tissue. Alpha cells of the pancreas secrete glucagon and beta cells secrete insulin. The ovaries secrete estrogen and progesterone and regulate the menstrual cycle and pregnancy. And finally, the testes secrete androgens like testosterone and help with the production of sperm. Hormones. Steroid hormones, also known as prostaglandins, do not circulate in the blood, but rather exert chemical influence where they are produced. Amines, such as catecholamines that include cortisol, epinephrine, and norepinephrine, are involved in cardiac contraction, vasoconstriction, glycogen breakdown, inhibition of insulin secretion, increased metabolic rate, and bronchodilation. And peptide hormones, such as insulin, regulate metabolism. Look at pages 338 to 340 in the Score Builder's book for a full list of all the hormones inside the body. That's it for episode 6.2, the endocrine system. Episode 6.3 will talk about endocrine pathology. As always, the outline will be in the show notes. Thanks for joining me.